Good morning, students. Today, we'll start the new topic, that is function. File handling have the function open function. So let us talk about the function open function. So first, we are using here the F1 is the open, and that here we can write the D colon / temp / abc dot txt. Now this is the file. This is the file handle. This is known as the file handle. That is object name, and it is also known as file handle. This is the open function. Now this is the path. Path means the file location where the file D colon temp is the folder. Temp folder contains the abc.txt file, and this is the read mode. So now here I am using here double slash sign. So what it means that if I am using a single slash sign, so that is show the error. Why /t? That is /t means this is tab. That is the delimiter. So that's why we are using here slash sign, double slash sign. If you are using a single slash sign, so you can use, but before this colon you can write R. You can R. This is the raw string. Raw string means nothing else. What is the meaning of /t? And whole things is in the form of string. So that's why we are using R. If you are not using R, so you can write double slash sign. So this is the simple of the file open. Now the file open, so you can read the file. So we can use the read that file. So the file next point that we can use the file open. So next point, how we can access this file using the functions. We have three functions, that is the read function, then we can use read line, and then we can use read line. Okay, so this contains the n is the byte. This is the optional. You can write, or you can maybe write, you cannot, but there is not. So read. So what is we are using here the object name. So that is the function name. Whatever you can write the function name. So we can using f1 dot. So f1 dot read and byte, f1 dot read line and byte read line. So let us come on the points one by one. What's going on? What is the meaning of read and read line? So simple. If I am reading here, I am writing here Python is an amazing language. Python is an interpreted language. So Python is an amazing language. Python is an interpreted. So if you are using f1.read line, so what's going on? You can use here f1. First you can write here f1 is equal to open abc dot txt. You can write here URL also, whatever the URL you can mention here, D colon /tmp / abc dot txt. In notepad you can write some information. This abc contains this information in notepad. You can write this information in notepad using the file name abc.txt. So when you use the function, first f1 dot read file and print. Now this store in a variable string str string, having nothing, that is the string. So you can print here. You can print str. So what's going on? 5, it means that it reads the 5 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it shows the output PYTHO, Pytho. So whatever the numeric number you can mention here, it show all the things. If you can't show any numeric value, so it returns, there is no any numeric value. So by default it returns the whole string, read in bytes and return in whole string. So output will be Python is an amazing language, or Python is an interpreted language. Now next point, f1.readLine, and this is in brackets, so this is the optional. So you can write or you can maybe avoid it. So if you are using without function, so the same function, we can the same file name, so we can use here read line. Okay, so what's going on? Read line. So read line means it show the output, this first line output. Yani, what's our output? Python is an amazing language. It means that f1.readLine. Readline means first line read. If you want to second line, again you can write f1.readLine. So again print. So again it print Python is an interpreted language. So is line by line. If you are mentioned here again 10, again 5 bytes. So again it show PYTHO, Pytho. Okay, in the form of string return Python. Now the next function, that is f1.readLine. f1.readLine means it reads all the string, all the characters, all the bytes, and returns the result in the form of list, having the delimiter /n line. With the when you show when the output show that it show the output having the /n delimiter. So only you can use here lines. There is no any byte. So output show Python is an amazing language. Here now there is /n, then Python is an interpreted. Or this is in the form of list. So this show in the form of list. So this is the difference between these three functions: read, readLine, and readLine. Read byte by 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte, whatever the number byte mentioned, it show. readLine, it show the one line at a time. One line, read one line, the text one line at a time. readLine, read all the strings, hold the string, and return the result in the form of list. So that is the difference between these three functions: read, readLine, and readLine. Now next point, we come on the next point. We are using the file access mode. That is very important also. File access mode means we have file access mode. So file access mode, we can see the file access mode in text and binding mode. We can create the file in two modes. Already last lecture we have discussed about that, text in and binding mode. So then what's going on? We can mention here text. So first is this is R and this is RB. R, that is the read mode. B means binding. Read. The file created in text mode, so you can use only R. But the file created in binding mode, so you can read RB. Okay, that is the binding. Next, write. So then WB, write mode, binding mode. Then next A, and then AB. What's going on? A, that is the read mode, write mode, and this is the append mode. Append mode is same as the write mode, but both have difference. What's the difference? In write mode, we can write some text, whatever the text, if the text written XYZ in old file abc.txt, and when you use write function, so what's going on? Then again you can write ABC, then it overwrites XYZ, ABC overwrite on XYZ. So XYZ truncated, that deleted. So we ensure that whatever you can write the content is persist, but you can write append another data, so you can use A. Otherwise, your old data will be truncated, deleted. So we can use A for appending the data. So what's going on? XYZ already written in the ABC text file. Then when you write ABC, then it show the append the text after the XYZ, and XYZ and ABC both. So that is the read, write and append mode. The same we can use shortcut, that is we can use here R plus, that is here also R plus B. Let's just discuss about W plus, that is we can use here W plus B. We can write A plus, we can write here A plus B. Okay. You can write R plus B or RB plus, both are allowed. No? You can use both. Okay. You can write here also RB plus, you can write here WB plus, you can write here AB plus, both are allowed here. So R plus W plus, plus means sign that R plus matlab that is the read mode. Read mode hai, read mode. But when you can use W plus, that is the read mode with read and then write mode. But when you can use W plus, so first write then read. When you can use append mode, so that is the append mode, that is the append the content and then write, then read that content. So that is the that is when you use plus sign, so the read mode. So first it read, then write, then read, append, then read. Okay. So that is the difference between these file access mode. Next video we can discuss about the functions. Write function, that is very important function. How to write the content, because in this programming we have already write the text in the notepad. But in the write function we can write how we can write the content with the help of the programming. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.